In this video, I am going to discuss how will you apply an image as the background of your web page. As you know, the default background color of your web page is white. So you can apply color here, or you can apply an image as the background of your web page. For image to apply as the background, there is an attribute of the body tag which is known as background. So inside the opening tag of body, the attribute is background. Between the double quotes, you have to write the picture name. If your HTML file and the picture file are within the same folder, then you can only write the picture name with its extension. But if the HTML file is in one folder and your picture is within another folder, it means the both are not in the same location, then you have to write the full path of the image file along with the image name and the extension. So suppose this file basic.html is inside the documents, and the picture I am going to apply as the background is in my pictures library. So open the pictures library. I am going to apply the sample pictures. So open the sample pictures. So my HTML file inside the document and the picture I am going to apply is in the pictures folder. So the locations are different. For this you have to provide the full path of the image. Suppose I am going to apply this desert image. So right click on this. You will get the properties menu. Click on it. You will get a window named properties. This property show the location of your image. You can simply select it and right click on it and click on copy. So you copy the location of your image. Now go back to the HTML file and right click inside the double quotes and paste. So the path of your picture appears here. Now provide a backward slash and then the image name. So from the same window you can get the image name. I prefer to copy the name and paste it, because if you misspelled the spelling, then the picture will not appear as the background. So I am also copying this name. Go back to the HTML file, right click and just paste it. So now my background will be having this picture. So let's save it and see the output of the web page. So now the picture appears as my background. Now if you can see, the picture repeats itself because the image dimension is not enough to completely cover the web page. So if your image is smaller than your browser window, then the image will repeat itself both horizontally and vertically. This is the default feature of a web browser. If your picture is long enough to cover the web page, then fine. But if your image is small and it does not fully cover the whole web page, then it will repeat. First it will repeat horizontally and then vertically. As my image which I apply is height is okay, because it does not repeat itself vertically, it only repeats it in horizontally. So it will happen if your image is small. Now for some reason, if you misspelled this spelling, suppose I am writing mistakenly one extra s, then what will happen? I am going to save the page and see the output. Nothing appears. So even if you apply the picture because of the wrong spelling, the picture not appears as the background. In such situation, even it can happen your network is slow, so it is taking long time to load the background image. So for safety, you can also apply the BG color feature, which will apply a background color. So I am writing a background color name here. So if your picture is not loading properly for your background, then it provides support. At least you can see a color as your background if the picture does not load properly. But if your picture loads properly, then you can see only the image. So when you apply both the background attribute and bg color attribute, the background attribute overrides the bg color attribute. But if your picture is not loading properly because of anything, because spelling is wrong or the network speed is slow, then the bg color attribute, whatever value you have written inside the bg color attribute, will appear. Now, one point also to remember, that apply only that picture through which you can read your text properly. I mean, this picture is too bright to see the text. Now the text is appear on the sky part, so you can read it. But if your text appears inside this red portion, so you can't read it. So apply the picture which is transparent enough to see your text, because the main purpose of the web page is to see your text, not the background image. So using the background image you can apply the picture, but keep in mind that use a transparent picture, so you can users can see, the readers can see the text properly. That's all for this video.